Alright, so this is my new Makita MAC2400. Got it about a week ago, so built a mount for it and show you pretty much the build up and tear down of it. Pretty much put the filter on there for the whole line. This itself pretty much comes right off. And I built a nice mount for it to go in. Goes in perfectly. Mounts on the dolly and good to go. Don't have to worry about lugging it around no more. Put it right back on. And just like that. So, real quiet. All you gotta do is turn it on real quick and then get some air out of it. Barely even hear that thing. Can't hear it inside at all. So that's the setup. Charges really quick. Didn't have any problems with it out of the box. It's perfect condition. Nothing was damaged. Turn off in a second. Bam, there you go. So I'm going to move this real quick, show you where I'm going to have it set up at. I have it set up right here in the corner. Works best for my hobby stuff. And just kind of lift it in the back like this. There we go. Show you the whole setup. It's right there. Got a little regulator right here and another hose. It works perfectly because I have an extra inlet, so I can just use this for any auto stuff or whatever. And then I got my whole airbrush set up. Let's see if it'll. There we go. A little airbrush setup right here for all the model stuff. So that's that. MAC2400. Awesome. Just suggest you get a dolly if you're going to be moving around. So any comments, I'll try to reply as best as possible. Thank you.